DeGroot X YouTube channel. So buckle up and let's go for a ride.
What's up, guys? It is time for exhaust on the Z. Now, it's gonna be a quick one. I have to get this thing registered, but I have full, what are the words for them? Cross pipes? I don't know, basically from the exhaust manifold all the way back to the tailpipe. But what I'm going to do on it today, because it's going to be quick, I need to get this thing smogged. I'm just going to put the rear mufflers with the pipe down to the, I don't know, mid pipes, I guess you would say. So we're going to put those on, see how they sound, and let's see what's going on. Then we're going to get it smogged, and then I'm going to be legal. So, all right, guys, doing some cleanup on the exhaust. As you can see, it's just all dirty. I mean, it was under a car. It's thrown in the back of a truck, so I'm gonna clean it up. So here we go. We got the old junk cans. They're rusted, and look at that, the freshly shined up can of rouge. Here we get them off good. This thing's not even rusted, man. Slipping out. It's gonna drop. Yeah, fuck this stuff down. It's already coming on. Super easy. Second one's coming down. Pretty. Well, guys, here you have it. As you can see, it's on. It's sweet. It sounds not nearly as loud as I thought it was going to sound. It's actually really low key. I think part of the reason I'm thinking that it was going to be louder was because the old exhaust had a huge hole in it, and it gave it a great growl, actually. So, yeah. That's the exhaust. I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds. It sounds a lot cleaner. It sounds a little bit deeper. It doesn't have the growl that it used to have, but I think when I put in the crossover pipes and the mid pipes, whatever they're called, then I think it's going to sound a lot more throaty. It's going to give it that that better sound to it. Also, these cars came with IVA, whatever the acronym is. Basically, it routes a little bit of extra oxygen into the exhaust, 90 to the 93 models. So I'm gonna have to take that off with that as well. It's all in the inner fender wells, and we'll do that another day, but I'm pretty stoked on how the exhaust went, and it's registered. I'm legal on the car. It's good to go. I'm driving it. It's so much fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.